Welcome to Knowledge Nest, where curiosity meets clarity. Subscribe for more, leave your thoughts in the comments, and share with fellow learners. Happy, joyful, cheerful. Sad, miserable. Fast, quick, rapid. Slow, sluggish. Big, large, huge. Small, tiny. Easy, simple, effortless. Hard, difficult. Bright, shiny, radiant. Dull, dim. Strong, powerful, sturdy. Weak, fragile. Clean, tidy, spotless. Dirty, messy. Hot, warm, boiling. Cold, chilly. Smart, intelligent, clever. Dumb, foolish. Brave, courageous, bold. Cowardly, fearful. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.